Okay, this is our Koozie clamp product. It's got a knob that opens and closes the clamp jaws. And I think this would work well on this medium-sized bag in the small flap. So what I've taken is I folded this back, and then I'm able to stick this in here like that, and then I'll tighten down the knob, and that holds the bag in place. So I can do a trace. And if the trace looks good, I can just hit the start button. Now I've turned the needles off, but I can show you how it'll run. It doesn't seem to have any problem holding the weight of the bag and holding that flap nice and tight. So I think that might be the solution for the middle-sized bag.